AI and big data are playing pivotal roles. Now that we have a basic understanding of AI and big data, we can begin to explore their applications in improving car performance. Imagine a world where your car understands your driving habits and adjusts to optimize performance. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now with the help of AI and big data. Take predictive maintenance, for instance. Through the power of AI, your car can anticipate mechanical issues before they escalate into expensive repairs. It's like having a personal mechanic on board, constantly monitoring your vehicle's health. Now let's talk about fuel efficiency. AI and big data can analyze your driving patterns and suggest ways to reduce fuel consumption. It's like having a personal coach guiding you towards greener, more economical driving. And of course, we can't overlook safety features. AI can enable real-time hazard detection, alerting drivers to potential dangers on the road. It's like having an extra set of eyes, always on the lookout for your safety. As you can see, the integration of AI and big data in the automotive industry is not just a trend, it's a game changer. What does the future hold for car performance, with AI and big data paving the way? In the blink of an eye, the automotive industry is being reshaped by the power of artificial intelligence and big data. As we gaze into the future, we see a landscape where cars are not just machines, but intelligent entities that learn, adapt, and improve. Imagine a world where cars predict and prevent mechanical issues before they happen, where fuel efficiency is maximized by learning from billions of data points, where performance is personalized based on your driving style. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Well, it's closer than you think. With advancements in AI and big data, we are on the brink of a revolutionary shift. Cars will become smarter, faster, and more efficient, transforming the way we perceive performance. In the world of AI and big data, the road to superior car performance is full of exciting twists and turns. Stay tuned to keep up with this fast-paced journey.